In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to study. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there, but this is going to work no matter what stage you're at, whether you're in high school, college, or anything between. I'm personally a senior here in college, and this has been a very powerful tool for me when it comes to studying and understanding information. But essentially, open up ChatGPT here on an app or on the website, and you could ask it something basic like, can you help me study for whatever class you might be in, for example, financial management, and then go ahead and hit enter, and it will help you the more information that you give it. So if you have like reviews or whatnot, I would definitely import those. If you have PowerPoint presentations, I would go ahead and import those, because the more specific you are with ChatGPT, the more helpful it's going to be for you. So you're going to want to tell it what subject you're studying, the topics that are on that like test, for example, what level you're at. And obviously you can use ChatGPT to help you write essays and help you out with assignments as well. But when you hit enter on something like this, it's going to, give you a study flow that's going to work for you. And you can obviously switch this up as well. Just follow through this. And this actually has a lot of the information I've given it in the past saved, which is what all these acronyms are for. But you can use it to review homework, break down difficult topics, create study notes, practice questions, and get feedback before submitting work. I honestly will say the best thing that I found to actually study after importing all that information is to do it in Quizlet Learn style. If you ask ChatGPT to give you Quizlet Learn style, that'll help you study so much more. But it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.